planaria. I'm sure you're all aware of what a planarian is. Flat-looking white thing. You'll probably see them in lakes, ponds, freshwater, or moist areas just chilling there. They're so small that you might even miss them. But what exactly is a planarian? What do they do? Why are they there? Well, Planaria is a genus of worms that comes from the phylum
Platyhelminths,
which means flatworm. I wonder why they call it flatworm. I generally have no idea why they're called flatworm. It's truly a mystery. It's because they're flat. Like, really flat. So flat, in fact, that they barely got any organs. They got a basic GI system, a basic nerve system. Yeah, that's kind of it. Their body basically looks like this. They don't have a developed circulatory and respiratory system because they can just get gas exchange from the surface of their body. You got the GI, almost like a pseudovascular system stretching across the whole worm. This includes the pharynx, which holds both its mouth and its ass. Yes, it eats out of its ass. I know, nature is beautiful. They're predatory, so they be eating insects, fish, eggs, tadpoles, and whatever else it can fit inside of its mouth ass. Then you got the nerves running around like a little net, with the longitudinal main ones along the sides and little transverse and peripheral nerves running along the two main lines. Planaria are actually one of the first few organisms which developed cephalization. This means that it's got special nerves in its head which act kind of like a pseudo-brain. Not a real brain, but at least it tried. Then you got eye spots. Yeah, they're so simple that they don't even got eyes. They got little grouped cells that can see light because they want to go away from the light. They are also hermaphrodites, so when they do reproduce sexually, they have both organs to do the job. And that's kind of it. It's hard to fuck up a planarian, they're very basic. However, despite their simplicity, these guys are a lot more interesting than let on. That's because they can regenerate their entire body. Yes, they can regenerate like half their body. If they're cut in half, they can just regrow that half. No sweat. And not only that, the other half, which doesn't have the head, can just regrow a head. That's because planaria bodies are made up of 20% stem cells. For context, humans are like 1% stem cells, and they're not even the cool kind. Yeah, if these guys just get injured, they can just regrow their whole body. Cut them in fourths, and well, ta-da! 4 planaria. Cut their brain, cut their GI, they just grow it right back. That's why people are really interested in planaria right now. If we can harness that kind of stem cell usage, who knows how long it's going to be before we regrow an arm or a leg or an organ, maybe a brain. Also, due to their high stem cell count, planaria basically just don't age. So, source of immortality? Who knows? If we can even get to that point. That's it for these guys. I hope y'all enjoy the video. Here are citations, and that's it. We love planaria. Bye. Editor's note, I forgot, they piss through their skin. The more you know.